What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to track your steps on an iPhone without using an Apple Watch. If you don't own an Apple Watch but still want to monitor your daily movement, you can track steps on your iPhone. Start by opening the App Store on your iPhone. Tap on the search icon at the lower right and in the search bar type fitness and hit search. Look for the official Apple Fitness app. It's developed by Apple, so make sure you're downloading the right one. Go ahead and install it. Once installed, open the app. If it's your first time, it will prompt you to enter personal information like your age, gender, height, weight, and your general activity level. This data helps the app calculate calorie burn and personalize your goals. After the setup, the fitness app will start tracking your movement automatically using your iPhone's built-in motion sensors. You will see your move goal displayed as a ring. This goal is measured in active calories, and it will fill up throughout the day as you walk or move around with your phone. To view your step count, just tap on the activity ring. This will show more details, including total steps taken, distance walked, and active time. You can also browse past data by tapping the calendar icon to see how active you've been on previous days. Keep in mind, this works as long as your iPhone is on you while you walk, so remember to carry it in your pocket or hand during activity. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.